The year 2026 appropriation bill, our seventh budget, is titled the Budget of Sustainable Legacy. A total expenditure of 1,668,997,993,124 naira and 44 kobo is proposed for the year 2026 fiscal year, representing a 63% growth over the year 2025 budget. It is a financial plan anchored on continuity, consolidation, and long-term impact, ensuring that the progress achieved evolves into lasting benefits for current and future generations. It reflects a deliberate commitment to preserving, deepening, and expanding the transformative foundations already laid over the last 6 years. But like I promised when I assumed office, we will leave Ogun State much better than we met it.